Are you into photography and really want to share your art? Or do you have personal pictures that you want to display in your house in a very unique way? I've got a deal for you. What's up, guys? TJ here with another video. If you like these types of videos, please like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Also hit that bell icon so you get notifications whenever I release new videos. Today's video is going to be about easycanvasprints.com. I made a video about this maybe 6 or so months ago where I showcased some of my art, and I'm going to be showcasing that again. Also, I have a special deal from you. This video is sponsored by easycanvasprints.com, and there is a link in the description section below. Also, the first post that's going to give you a really special deal that I will tell you about at the very end of the video. So stay tuned. So I like to think of myself as a artiste, if you will. I do photography, and I also draw and paint different things. And I made this photo or this drawing a few months ago, and I was able to, I really wanted to display it in my movie room, but I didn't really know how, if I could print it off or if I could get it printed. So that put me on a journey to find canvas prints, and the ones that I found online were super expensive. I'm talking $200 or $300, you know, for something like this. And I ran across Easy Canvas Prints. So what Easy Canvas Print does, it allows you to upload photos that you've taken or pictures that you've drawn or anything, any kind of photograph that you have, and you can actually get it printed on a canvas. So I'm gonna talk about a couple different of the sizes. So this right here is the 3/4 inch wrapped. It wraps all the way around, and it does come with like a little handy hook right there, so you can hook it onto a wall. Or somebody on my last video said that you can use like double stick tape, put it on there and stick it to your wall, and you don't have to put a hole in your wall. So that's pretty cool. But the image quality on this is very, very superb. So this is a picture, like I said, that I drew on my iPad, and you can see like, you can really see the clarity on this photo. So this is the other drawing that I made. This is Hella. And this goes back into my Marvel nerd boy. But anyway, this one actually came out really well also. And like I said, I got these for a really good deal. This is the 3/4 inch, and it is 11 by 14. Both of these are 11 by 14. I think for the two 11 by 14s, it was under $100 when I got my deal, but I actually have a really special deal for you all. So with the link in the description section below, Easy Canvas Prints has given me a deal for you all to take, and it is going to be for two 16 by 20 canvas on the 3/4 inch wrap. And this is very special to me. This is something very special to my heart. I didn't really know if I wanted to share this on my channel or not, but I'm going to. So if any of you follow me on social media, you know that I recently had a very devastating loss to my family. My dad passed away in 2017 from cancer, and my mom actually passed away at the end of 2018, also with cancer. And so this was something very special to my heart that I was able to get. It is just some photos that we had kind of laying around, and the picture quality on this is like super awesome, especially since a lot of these photos were taken. This photo right here was taken in like 1988. This right here was taken like early 90s. This right here was probably from early 90s as well. And these are more recent photos. But this is what you will be able to create, something like this. And I'm going to show you on the computer how you can create something like this and actually upload it to easycanvasprints.com. But it was really cool for them to send this to me and also allow you all to have a deal. So you will be able to get two of these sizes, the 16 by 20 for $44.99 with the link in the description section below. Now you do have to purchase two of them. You can't just purchase one and get like half off or anything. You have to purchase two for $44.99. And I will, like I said, put that in the description section below. So let's jump to the computer, and I'm going to show you how to do this real quick. All right, so we're going to start at the link that is in the description section below. This is going to be the 16 by 20 inch size. Now, of course, if you want to order a larger size or smaller size, you can from here, but these are going to be the prices that you're going to get with the link that I am providing you. So you click right here on upgrade image. You can get images from your Facebook or from your computer. I'm just going to choose something from my computer, and I'm actually just going to choose something that I've already created. So let's do this because it has some awesome kind of colors. All right, and there you go. So as you can see, this photo, the size of it is a little bit different. So you can actually zoom in or zoom out, and I'm going to show you. We're going to crop it so that the name is in the picture, and you can save that. So now that's actually what the photo is going to look like, and you can actually rotate this to a different orientation if you wanted to. Of course, I don't want to, so rotate that back like it is, and we'll drag this. Oops, we'll drag this back over, and it's literally that simple. So once you do that, you click continue. All right, so it's going to ask you a couple of questions. You can do the standard wrap. That's the ones I showed you on the video, is the 3/4 inch depth, but you can get the 1.5 inch depth for a little bit more. You can also get frames. The ones I showed you didn't have a frame on it, and you can so as you can see, the picture wraps all the way around. So especially like if you have them going up some stairs or something like that, you know, it won't just be like white or something on the side of the picture. So you can add that one to cart. I didn't add these. You can if you want to. The wall hanging system, like I said, they come with this little hook, and it comes with a hook on the back of the canvas, or you can do the non-stick paint or the non-stick tape. So if you order one of those, it's going to show you immediately that it is $43.73. Let's go ahead and add another one. Yes. All right, we'll go over here. We'll go to canvas prints. We'll do another 16 by 20. We'll upload image. We'll go to your photos, and I'll choose this other one I made here, and we'll click on it so we can move it. Something like that. Okay, then we'll continue. All right, like I said, it's the same. It'll be wrapped on all sides, and we will add that one to cart, and we'll say no thanks. All right, so right now you can see that you get the first one for $43.73 and the second one for $1.25. That's going to bring your total to $44.98 for two. That's an awesome deal. Take advantage of that in the description section below. All right, that's going to be it for today, guys. I really appreciate you guys for watching. Thanks for all your love and support that you all show me. If you like these types of videos, please like, share, subscribe. I really appreciate it. Also hit that bell icon so you can get notifications whenever I release new videos. And if you want to take that deal, the link is in the description section below. Thanks, guys.